equation for efficiency of Carnot engine. The efficiency of the Carnot engine is expressed in two forms. Neta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. Neta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. But ideal engine efficiency. Now, what is the ideal engine? Which is called an ideal engine? Which engine operated between two temperatures T1 and T2? T1 is at source, T2 is at sink. Which engine works under two temperatures? In that one, the temperature of the sink is 0. If the temperature of sink is 0, substitute here 0, you can substitute neta is equal to 1 or 100%. The engine become as a ideal engine. The ideal engine efficiency is 100% or 1 when the temperature of the sink is 0 Kelvin. What is 0? 0 Kelvin means 0 Kelvin. When the temperature of the sink is 0 Kelvin, then that Carnot engine is become as ideal engine. So its efficiency is 1 or 100%. Otherwise, Q2 means heat energy rejected by the engine. After adiabatic expansion, the Carnot engine not rejects the heat energy, not given heat energy Q2 to the sink, then that Carnot engine become as an ideal engine. Carnot engine become as ideal engine. Here also efficiency is how much? 1 or 100%. Okay. When the Carnot engine become as ideal engine, for ideal engine how much efficiency? The ideal engine efficiency is 100% or 1. But the Carnot engine become as an ideal engine when we take two options. The first option, the temperature of the sink should be a 0 Kelvin, then it is ideal engine. Otherwise, the engine never rejects the heat energy to the sink. Not rejects the heat energy to the sink means what must be done? What must be done? It converts total heat energy into mechanical energy without giving or without reject heat energy to the sink. Sink means nothing but surroundings. Sink means nothing but surroundings. Then that engine is called as an ideal engine. You should remember 2 points. The ideal engine efficiency is how much? 100% or 1. The ideal engine efficiency is 100% or 1. When it becomes two chances, means two options are there. The first option, the temperature of the sink should be 0 Kelvin. Otherwise, engine cannot reject the heat energy to the sink. Okay, is it clear? Now, another important question in this chapter again for 4 marks. This is also very, very important. The completed. In the last class, we have discussed efficiency, that is 8 marks question. This topic is 2 marks question. This is 2 marks question. Now, we want to discuss 4 marks question. We know that one, Carnot engine. In one direction it acts like a heat engine, another direction acts like a cool engine. In one direction it acts like a heat engine. Now, we want to discuss about heat engine. After this, we want to discuss another engine, that is cool engine. Cool engine means refrigerator. Carnot engine in one direction acts like a heat engine. Another direction acts like a cool engine or refrigerator. That's why Carnot engine is called as a reversible engine. Why the Carnot engine is called reversible engine? In one direction it acts like a heat engine, another direction it acts like a cool engine. Now we want to discuss about the heat engine. This is also one of the important question in this chapter for 4 marks. Now what is a heat engine? A engine converts heat energy into mechanical work. A engine converts heat energy into mechanical work is called heat engine. What are the examples? Vehicles. Our vehicles, all vehicles, car, jeep, scooters, bikes, trains, all the vehicle, lorries, all are examples of heat engine. Why? We can take petrol or diesel in it. It burns. When it is burns, what is produced? Heat energy. Due to the heat energy, that can works. Petrol is completed, diesel is completed in the vehicles or not. What happened? It is burns. When it is burns, what it is produce? Heat energy. Due to that heat energy, the heat energy is converted to mechanical work. Then after that it can do the work, then after it gives smoke to the which one? Surroundings. Surrounding is nothing but sink. Okay. Now the vehicles are example for the heat engine. Now let us see. This is the block diagram. Source at a temperature T1 Kelvin, it is called as hot reservoir. Next, sink, temperature T2 Kelvin, it is called as cold reservoir. In between them, what we can take? Engine, heat engine. This engine receives the heat energy Q1 from the source. This engine receives the heat energy Q1 from the source. Do the work. Do the work. The remaining amount of heat energy, nothing but we can say smoke, given to the which one? Sink. Sink is at temperature how much? T2 Kelvin. The sink is also known as which one? Cold reservoir. The engine receives Q1 heat energy from the source at T1 Kelvin. Do the work as Q1 minus Q2, and remaining amount of heat energy rejected or ejected to the which one? Sink. Sink is surroundings, which is at called as cold reservoir. Now heat engine receives Q1 heat energy from the hot reservoir at a temperature T1 Kelvin, and to the mechanical work, and do the mechanical work, W, then remaining heat energy Q2 is ejects towards the sink at temperature T2 Kelvin. Okay. Now efficiency of the heat engine, we know the formula. Neta is equal to how much? W by Q1. This is very, very important formula. Neta. Efficiency. Neta is equal to how much? W by Q1. What is W in the heat engine? W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. It is on the diagram. Then you substitute. Finally, we will get the efficiency of the heat engine. This is also one of the important question in this chapter. Okay. Source is at temperature T1 Kelvin and gives and from that source the engine receives heat energy Q1. Then do the work and given the Q2 heat energy to the sink or surroundings, which is at T2 Kelvin. Okay. After do the mechanical work, it rejects. That's why heat engine receives Q1 heat energy from the hot reservoir at T1 Kelvin and do the mechanical work. Then remaining heat energy Q2 is rejects towards the sink at T2 Kelvin. Okay. This is also one of the important question in this chapter. In the next class, we will discuss the opposite of heat engine, that is cool engine. Then after we will discuss one small topic. Tomorrow means in the next class, I will complete this chapter. Okay. All of you record this. And once again, I am said to you, Carnot engine is a lengthy topic. That's why first you practice the efficiency of the Carnot engine, then